Sir Donald Coleman Bailey OBE, 1901–1985. Donald Bailey was born in Rotherham on 15 September 1901, 24 Albany Street, and educated at Rotherham Grammar School. He read for a Bachelor of Engineering degree at the University of Sheffield and graduated in 1923. Bailey was a civil engineer who invented the Bailey Bridge. After graduating from the University of Sheffield, Bailey worked for a time in railroading. In 1928, Bailey joined the War Office as a civil engineering designer at the Military Engineering Experimental Establishment in Christchurch. Then in 1929, Bailey joined the staff of the Experimental Bridging Establishment of the Ministry of Supply. When war broke out, Bailey had already an idea for a military bridge, and in late 1940, at a conference on the problem of providing temporary spans capable of taking heavy loads. His concept of a strong but reliable light steel truss that could be prefabricated in sections was quickly approved, with first production of the units deployed to the Army in December 1941. The British designer was of great military value during the Second World War. The invention of the Bailey Bridge, which was so vital to the success of the Allied forces in World War II. Field Marshal Montgomery declared that without the Bailey Bridge, we would not have won the war. Bailey was knighted in 1946 for his bridge design. Over 6,000 bridges were erected during the Second World War. The bridge is a portable prefabricated truss bridge. The advantage is that it requires no special tools or heavy equipment to be assembled. The components of wood and steel were small and light enough to be transported and assembled by hand. The bridge was strong enough to take the weight of trucks and tanks. The manufacture of the original bridge was produced by Thomas Story Engineering Limited of Stockport. The company was later awarded the license in 1948 to produce the Bailey Bridge for the National Research Development Company that was established by the Labour government to meet a perceived need to exploit the many products that had been developed during World War II. The bridge systems and other heavy-duty machinery were sold by the manufacturer to over 100 countries around the world, including the USA and Canada. Many are still in use and can be seen today. The Rotherham District Civic Society Blue Plaque was unveiled on 24 February 2016, by Nora Platt, at Thomas Rotherham College.